Hello, myself Ajay Biswas and I have made a digital clock. To make this, you first require one Arduino Uno circuit, one LCD display, one LED, 3 push buttons and 3 registers. Upon that, you also require 2 additional registers. Then thereafter, you have to connect the ground of Arduino Uno circuit to the ground of LCD display, and after that you have to connect 5 volt of Arduino Uno circuit to the power of LCD display. Then after connecting that, you have to connect 2, -3, 4, -5, 6, 7 of Arduino Uno circuit to RS, E, DB4, DB5, DB6, DB7 of LCD display. Then upon that, you have to connect one resistor to terminal 1 of LCD display, which will again be grounded at LCD display, and then after that you have to connect another resistor to terminal 1 of LCD display, and the other end should be connected to the power of LCD display. Now after connecting Arduino Uno circuit and LCD display, we have to arrange push button. We have to arrange push buttons because to manage and adjust the timing of our clock. So to do so, we first require 3 push buttons, and upon that you also require 3 registers. Now connecting push button 1, terminal 1 of push button 1 to 8 of Arduino Uno circuit and terminal 1B to the register beside it. Then after that you have to connect the register beside it, the other end, terminal 1 to the ground of Arduino Uno circuit, and like that I have connected terminal 1A of another push button to 9 of Arduino Uno circuit, and the last one goes with the similar process. Then after connecting that, I also connected an additional arrangement to check whether the proper flow of current is there or not. For that I have connected an LED to terminal 2B of the main push button, main, because from here I will set my clock, and the other end of the LED is connected to the power of LCD display. Now after connecting all this, we have to write the code. For writing the code, I have chosen arrays and arguments and for loop to adjust and further continue my digital clock in the real time. 2 problems I faced during writing this code is the errors which blocks me to further set my clock from 1 digit to 2 digit places. So for that I have copied some code from the internet to resolve my problem, and after doing that I have copied and pasted my code to Arduino Uno IDE to check whether my program is having any error or not. After that, after checking it doesn't contain any error. Now we should start the simulation to show how the clock works. Here, as you can see, it has been set to 0, 0. So first you have to long press this button, and thereafter you have to click upon this to set the hours in your clock. As you can see, the current timing is 8:15, so we will also adjust our clock to 8:15. Now after adjusting the hour, we should go to minute. Now we can adjust the minutes also by pressing the up button. Now if we exceed our desired time, we can also decrement the entered values by this down button. Now after that, push this button again to set the days. As you can see, this is May 5. So for that I will adjust it at 5. Then we will go to months. Again after pushing it, May means it should be 5. After that you can also set the second, but we will not set the second. It is fine. Now our clock is ready, as you can see. Thank you.